Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the first Samsung Galaxy S25 update. Now this is going to be for the S25 Ultra, for the S25 Plus, and S25. Now this is going to be a truly unique update because this is going to be the first seamless update for the Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I go down over here, you can see we can go to the software update. There's an orange circle indicating that there is a software update available. So when we tap it and tap on download and install, look at the new screen that we have. We have a nice graph right over here, but at the bottom we have a download and install bar and also a verification bar. So now when I tap on resume update, it is going to start to download and install without the phone having to reboot. So it's all going to happen right here in front of your eyes. And the good news is, as this is happening, you can continue to use your phone. So there's no interruption to your user experience as the update applies itself. So let's wait for this to happen and kind of take a look at it. Okay, so it's still downloading. We're at 44%. I'm going to fast forward. Actually, that happened really fast. You can see download, install 100%. It's now verifying the update, and let's see what happens at the end. So we are at 90%, and that's it. Okay, it says almost done. Restart your phone to finish the update. So there's going to be a restart process as we do this seamless update. So let me tap on that and see how long that's going to take. But I do want to quickly show you guys, we have One UI version 7.0, Android 15. The update is ending in AYB3. It is a sizable update. It's 603 megabytes. So we have all these things right over here: device stability, enhanced features, and further improvements to performance, and also some under the hood improvements to the camera. We'll look at all that in a second, okay? But at the bottom you can see we have the latest security patch, which is very important, so we are up to date with February. So I'm going to tap on restart, and it should be a fairly quick restart as opposed to what it used to be before. But there we are. We're almost inside. It's optimizing the apps. That happened very fast, by the way. And I think we're going to be dumped into the login screen right away. And then we'll look at what's going on with the actual phone. There we go. That's it. So that was very, very quick. It is booting up. So I just put in my PIN number. It says phone is restarting. And there we are in the phone. Update is now complete. All right, let's unlock this and put the PIN number one more time. So after it restarts, it asks you to put the PIN number in, and you have to do it one more time, or fingerprints. All right, so we just got a pop-up saying the update is now complete. I'm going to tap on OK. Let's quickly just see how it performs. I mean, the phone is already so smooth. I don't see any difference as far as the overall operation is concerned. Very nice and smooth, as you can see, so there's no problem with that. All right, let's go in here and go over to security and privacy, and make sure you go to updates right here, tap on the system update, and also make sure you check that update, and if there's a prompt, make sure you update this as well. Looks like we do need to restart this. I'm going to come back to that, but if you see this, just tap on restart, and that's going to also make sure the Google system update is also up to date and secure. Number 2, go down, go to About Phone, and then inside About Phone, go to Software Information. At the bottom, you can tap right over here. All right, it's going to take you to the Android website. I can tap on Read, and I can go over to Samsung right here. Now, when I go to Samsung, you are able to see all the details of the security patches that were applied for February, up until February, for this smartphone. Okay, so let's see how many we have. We have a lot. We have one critical patch. We have a whole bunch of, I think, 25 plus high security patches, and nothing in the moderate. But if you scroll down, you can see we can see a breakdown of exactly what kind of patch was applied and for what reason. So these are very important because they keep your phone extremely secure. So that's that. All right, now if I go back here, let me see what the completed screen looks like for the update. So tap on last update, and it looks just like the old version. So again, we don't have any new features, but rest assured, a lot of things happen under the hood to make the phone even better, including with the camera. And device stability, enhanced features, no new features, but yes, features were enhanced, and we have further improvements to performance. One more thing I'm going to have you guys do is go to the store, the Galaxy store, all right here, tap on the menu and tap on updates to make sure you have every single Samsung system and app update up to date. In my case, I'm mostly up to date. That's just a third-party app. I'm going to tap update, no problem, and we should be good to go. All right, guys? So this is the beginning of a new updating style. Right now, it's only on the S25, and I think one more other phone, the A55, you get these seamless updates. But as more phones get One UI 7.0 and Android 15, we are going to be getting these seamless updates. If you have noticed anything new, drop a comment down below and let me know. But that's it for now. Have a fantastic day.